Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can create reverse forward control with time in LS PLC. First of all, we will open our XT5000 software and here we will create the reverse forward control program. Any bit we can choose. MX0 for example is the internal memory bit, and next we will choose one output, an example MX 100 for an example means our main relay. When we on the MX0, our MX100 will be continue on. This look like as our main control. In the next row we will choose MX100 and next we will operate a one timer. So we will go to the F10 and we will take the TON on delay timer and name we can give the T10 for example. Any name you can choose, that's nothing issue. I'll choose this T10 and it's okay. And same like we this we will take the little cut and we will place it little here because we need to use the some open and close contacts. This line we will take the copy and in the next row we will make it the paste, and also in the next row also we will make the control V, and one more we will choose control V. Because of this 4 timers, why I am using this first timer will be make the time for the reverse or forward, an example, and you can choose any reverse or forward. This is the main time for the reverse condition, and this is second will the delay for this to start the forward condition, and next also delay for the reverse timer. So in the next row control C, and here we will take the control V, and one more we will take the control V, but that's number we have to be choose MX100, and this is also we will choose the MX100 because of this is our main control relay. This we cannot change. And this one, when we make it the M100 on, when we main control makes the on, after our next timer will be start, and when T10 will be on, after we will put it here one open contact of the T10. Open contact we will use, but before this open contact we have to be use one output internal memory M10 for example. MX10 we will choose. This we like to set it MX10. This we will take it here MX10. It's okay, no problem. And also here we will make it the MX11, and here we will make the MX12, and here we will make the MX13. Because of in the LS PLC, this timer directly open contact cannot be used. We have to be use the internal memory relay, and after this memory relay, we will use the open contact. So MX10, we will take the open contact here for the, sorry, here we have to be choose MX10, and here we will take the MX11, and here we will take the MX12, and in the next row, now this our timers are completed, and in the next row we need to use the close contacts. One, we will take the close contact of the MX10, and one more close contact we will be take of the QX. Which number we are using? QX, sorry, this also we have to be changed first. This will need to be the physical address, QX0 for an example, and this we have to be choose the QX1. Okay, and this we will be take the open contact of the close contact of the QX1 here, QX, but because of this we are making the interlock for this safety of the reverse forward. And in the next relay we will choose open contact of the MX10, open contact of the MX10. Here we will take MX10, and MX11, MX10 and MX11, and one more we will choose the close contact of the QX0. That's one close contact we will choose the QX0, and one more we will take the close contact of the MX13. MX13, MX13. So almost our program is now completed, and now we have to be gives the time hatch. For an example, 5 seconds we will give, and here this will we give the time hatch 3 seconds, for example, delay for this reverse to forward, and this also we need the time hatch 5 seconds, and this timer also we need to give the time hatch 3 seconds. Means 3 seconds is the delay and 5 seconds is our total time of the reverse or forward command. So we will connect first PLC with our laptop, and next we will be write this program to the PLC. Wait for some seconds until the program completed downloaded. Okay, yes, again okay, and go to the monitor. And now we will start our program. MX0, when I make it on, and now you can see our QX0 is on, and now 3 seconds wait, and after 3 seconds out our QX1. Again this system will be repeat this cycle, 3 seconds wait, and after again our QX0 will be on. Why not repeat this our program? Because of somewhere we are making the mistake. Now this MX10 is on, but this is one mistake we made. We have to be stopped because of this is the MX13. MX13 when on, that time we have to be make it reset this first MX10 line. So we will make the control, take the close contact of the MX13, percentage MX13. Now what will be happen, as this process will be completed, after this will be repeat the again time. When this last relay will be on, after this will be again repeat this cycle. But we have to be need to one make changes here. We have to be make this one M12 because of this is our second relay. So again download into the PLC, write to the PLC, click yes, okay, and again we will be monitor, and you can see now our time will be restart. Now QX1 is on, now 3 seconds wait, and after again our QX0 will be start. After 5 seconds again wait, after our 3 seconds wait, after QX1 will be on. So this procedure continuously automatically run reverse and forward. This program you can use in the washing machines, somewhere, anywhere, some conveyors, belts where needs to be timed, and how much times this motor needs to be reverse, how much time after needs to be forward, and also with the delay. You can see this is now forward time running, and now when this timer will be start, this is the delay for this MX11. When this delay finished, after this is M12 will be on. This is 5 seconds time when finish, after your last timer will be run for the delay of the QX1. Now you can see this is the last hour bit, and after this timer starts for the delay. As this MX13 will be on, so you can see MX13 will be here, disconnect our main timer, right? So hope guys you will be understand about the reverse forward control with the timer. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.